Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today, we're heading up to someplace really cool, so let's head on over. As you can tell, I'm ready. I hope you're ready. So let's go. We're at the Antelope Vally Poppy Reserve. It's really windy out today, and actually it's really nice out here. Very beautiful, quiet. We're in the Antelope Vally Poppy Reserve, as I mentioned earlier, and right now it's pretty much the height of the poppy season, but since we haven't really had much rain, the blooms aren't as much right now, so there are pretty much a good showing of poppies this season, and we're gonna take a look around. for joining me on our day trip today to the Antelope Vally Poppy Reserve. I hope you had a really good time. Weather was nice and sunny, and we got to see some amazing, beautiful wildflowers, and especially the poppies. They usually bloom around this time between March and April, and they die out after a while and then come back the next year. Fun fact, the California poppy is the state flower of California. Now, if you do want to visit the reserve, I will put the link in the description below so you can find all the information you need on there. But please do keep in mind to stay on the trails and not pick any of the flowers, as the seeds from the poppies and other wildflowers are actually what will become the flowers for the next season. So let's respect nature and enjoy it while it's here. Now for the trails, there's about 8 miles worth of trails all around. I did about 4 miles according to my watch between the north side and the south side while exploring, and it's really great for walking and just having a good time. I would say give yourself a couple hours to enjoy. Now if you want to see more adventures just like this, please do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.